This is crazy. The river has literally come right up to the bank. It's like 3 feet from. Oh shit! Are you serious? They've shut down the highway up above, just ahead of us. It's right there. That is crazy. Wow. State of emergency. That's crazy. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. My truck is fucking overheating. God motherfucking damn. It's like fuck. Just got my truck back from the mechanic shop. And now it's acting up again. Wow, this is the golf course. The golf course is completely gone. It's completely underwater. So they've shut down all of downtown. So now we can't even get downtown.